Allegedly, uthi umlungu. Uthi. They suspect that Jacinta she's missing. And then they say even Ngizwe confirmed that they try to call her. They can't get hold of her. No, guys. Please. Even if someone kidnap her, release her. We need her. This is time for her to be talking. It's not the time for her to disappear. No. You guys who don't know the time of kidnapping someone, if it is true, allegedly, or maybe she's in the vacation. This is not the time for vacation. This is the time for her to be talking. You guys who can't tell me that she disappeared. That is not it. Please, guys, find Jacinta. We need her. This is time for her to use her voice. Please, we need her.
I want you to watch it to the end. Then we'll come back and break it down. Always, my name is Ujunwa. Credits goes to the original creator whose video was used on this episode. And this video is for educational purposes. Guys, let's continue watching this video. Then we'll come back and break it down.
This program, it's no longer about let's meet in a corner. The program of action is let's go and visit the mine and ask how many young people are there. Wow. And let's find out what can they do for the young people. If they can hire them,
When South Africans needed Jacinta the most, Jacinta vanished. Another Jacinta emerged. Do you know why this one is talking about mine? Of recently, Ghanaians collected a South African mine that is operating in Ghana. They reclaim it. So that thing is pissing South Africans off. It's pissing their government off. So they want to start sending people to go to mines. Let me tell you, the only mine in South Africa is owned by UK-based company. And if you guys try all those ones, they will bankrupt South Africa to the end.
Fellow South Africans, Jacinta Mangobese Zuma was arrested this morning. Right now, as we speak, police are busy processing her. Her crime is fighting for local children to go to school. According to the police, the charge is inciting violence against illegal foreigners. And guess who opened the case? The police themselves. This is the typical South African government in action. Instead of resolving the crisis at Eddington Primary School, instead of building classrooms, instead of fixing overcrowding, instead of creating space for our children, they chose the easiest option: arrest a citizen. Is this what our glorified constitution stands for? Is this what we voted for? A government that jails its own citizens just to protect illegal foreigners. We are not facing a policing problem here. We are facing a leadership problem. Parents are desperate. Children are sitting at home as we speak. The community is crying out, and the government responds with handcuffs. This isn't justice. This is cowardice. Our constitution is not supposed to silence citizens, but protect them. It wasn't created to defend incompetence, but hold power accountable. But today, it feels like both our constitution and our government work harder for everyone else than they work for South Africans. Local children are told to wait at home. Taxpayers are told to be patient. Parents are told to be calm. Meanwhile, system collapse and schools continue to overflow. Jacinta is treated like a criminal, and all she's fighting for is education, order, fairness, and dignity for South Africans. Jacinta is labeled a criminal for asking why our children have no desks. She's accused of hatred for asking why our communities are ignored. She's threatened with arrest for demanding service delivery. That's a dangerous path for any democracy. A government that arrests frustration instead of solving problems is a government running from its responsibilities. And let us be clear, March and March is not about hatred, but about priorities, not about violence, but about failure, not about chaos, but about collapse. If the GNU government has done its job, there would be no protests at school. If government had planned properly, there would be space for every child. If government respected citizens, it would listen instead of arrest. But today, we are shown something painful. When citizens speak, they are punished. When systems fail, they are protected. That is upside down. That's unjust. That's unacceptable. South Africans are tired of being disciplined for government's mistakes, tired of being silenced for demanding basics, tired of being criminalized for loving their own children. History will not remember who was arrested today. History will remember who failed our children. And no number of arrests will hide that truth.
Ayike angeke obekwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uphakela umthakathi with his team balele entabeni kuyizolo kusakwanamuhla bavuke basentabeni nengubo batsho bona bayathandaza. I don't believe it. I don't believe Phakela Mthakathi can sleep in the bush says I'm praying. No. Jacinta Zuma unyamalele. She's missing. Akatholakali. And then i-account yakhe yaku TikTok ayisasebenzi. I-Facebook page yaka Jacinta ayisasebenzi. Ngapha uphakela umthakathi with his team balala ehlathini. Kanti inhleko kuvelani kwenzakalani? Noma senibalekela ukufa kwabantu baseDurban laba baseMalawi abafe izolo abayi4 enibabulala izolo. Kwenzakalani? Yazi mina ngisa understand ukuthi kwenzakalani la. Angisa understand. Angisazi nje ukuthi kwenzakalani. UJacinta Zuma ifoni yakhe ayingeni. Ma uyifonela inamba yakhe ithi voicemail, iWhatsApp ayisebenzi, Facebook ayisebenzi, TikTok ayisebenzi. Akuna nje any i-social media yaka Jacinta esebenza. Ngabe kwenzakalani? Yazi ngikhathazekile, iyangikhathaza kakhulu le ndaba. Ophakela abalele entabeni bathi bona bayathandaza ukusa kwanamuhla. Hayi guys, ungizwe ngapha bambiza imali ezibizayo okufanele azibhadele. Inhleko kwenzakalani kuma leader we March and March? Akukho onelwazi akwazi ukusicazela kahle ukuthi what is going on between March and March leaders. Kwenzakalani? Hey, asazi ke ngizozwa ngani.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoy watching this episode. Don't forget to tell us what you think on this episode. Don't forget to drop your comments. Don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to share this video. Thank you always for stopping by to watch my video. I love you. And see you guys on my next episode.